Hey guys, here we have bought Rockerz 225 Bluetooth earphones. I bought it from Amazon rupees 999 only, which have a special price for Amazon Prime users. Come, we'll unbox it. Yeah, here we go. Bluetooth earphones. Yeah, it looks like magnetic earpods. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. A good quality product from BoAt. Yeah, it's true. We got extra stuff in the pack. Yeah, extra ear tips, one USB cable, and these are the warranty card and guidelines for the Bluetooth earphones. It have good flexible grip quality which can be easily fit into your neck. We have power button, volume up, volume down. Yeah, this is LED indicator. Here we have micro USB port. Come, we'll switch it on. Long press the power button until you get LED indicator. See, it's blinking. Connect to the Bluetooth in your mobile phone and have a look. The sound quality is pretty good and the bass is too good. Finally, the Bluetooth earphones for 999 rupees is really worthy. A good price for it.